were created for Walt Disney World.
For now.
Coming into view, World Showcase. Directly across from us, on the far shore of the World Showcase Lagoon, is our host pavilion, the American Adventure. The World Showcase is also home to...
For $29.99, you can get this shirt, which is, of course, themed around Figment. Also these cute little Turvises, $26.99. Also for the same price of $29.99, you can get a shirt with a lot less material, so it should be cheaper, right? Wow, for $64.99 you can get this jersey for the 2019 EPCOT International Flower and Garden Festival. Yeah, okay. This is what's on the back. See all that ink? That's where the money goes. I don't know. So $27.99 for this hat. $21.99 for this keychain. For $39.99 you can turn up the fun. For $27.99 you can get this completely stylish hat. For $29.99, pretty decent price, you can get this shirt. And going off of their awful pun, for $29.99 you can get this totally useful bag. Oh come on, that was not worse than this pun. Alright, fine. $16.99 for this mug. Different plants on it. Not bad. If you actually have a garden, you can use this garden stake. $24.99. If you come to the festivals and you love the food and you want to make it yourself, it's kind of a good idea. $29.99. Get you a cookbook so you can make the stuff at home. Back at the Odyssey for the Gardener's Terrace. And if you've ever wished that you had a salt and pepper shaker that looks like a trash can from Disney, $10, you can get a 2019 Flower and Garden Festival fake trash can salt or pepper shaker. $34.99 for this insulated Turvis. $195. Yes, $195 for this vintage Flower and Garden. Even though it's for 2019, it's apparently vintage. Vintage Flower and Garden limited edition. 95, I guess there's 95 that exist. But wow. Here's the really expensive stuff. $248 for this. $158 for this. And the zip tote is $268. I mean, they're cute, but wow. $16.99 for this watering can. That's cute. It's kind of vintage. Or if you want something that looks like a watering can but is actually for beverages, this is also for sale for a price that I don't see. $29.99 for this pass holder exclusive shirt. That's kind of cool. Don't dig the pocket, but I like it. This hat's actually really nice. $27.99, obviously pass holder exclusive. Someday I shall be a pass holder again. This plastic, obviously. It looks like it's insulated actually. $24.99. It's made in America. This pass holder, you can make coffee. $16.99. You can make coffee, or you can plant a little plant. These are cute, but they're $34.99. Okay. This hat, I kind of like this hat. It's nice. So it's sort of a light pink. $27.99 for this hat. I can see it's embroidered. I can see $27.99 for this hat. It's way more reasonable than this shirt, in my opinion. And it's cute. I like it. It's sort of purple. pink, but a little purpley. $21.99 for this 2019 EPCOT International Flower and Garden Festival plush. This is cute as well. For $22.99, I like this. I don't believe it's insulated though. Figment looks thrilled. $24.99 for this poster. And here's a topiary without all the plants on it, just to show you the endoskeleton, I guess. Some of the tools, apparently. This must be the indoor pet relief area, I guess. I'm kidding. Before we leave the Odyssey, there's one more thing to look at, and that is the arbor, which is also new for Flower and Garden 2019. $39.99 for this shirt. It comes with a knot already in it. For $17.99, you can get this little, put a little zest in your vest. Yeah, whatever it is. Okay, for $29.99, this is definitely my favorite shirt of the year. Look at this. This is awesome. Pass holder exclusive, unfortunately, but this is an awesome shirt. Sorry, it's a little wrinkled, but that's cool. $39.99 for this mini garden party globe, and by mini, it's Minnie Mouse. Happiness blooms from within. Yeah, I say happiness is overrated. $34.99 for this shirt with a little bow in it. Something about this festival is when you're convinced you've seen everything, you find more. Which isn't bad, just I thought I was done, but glad I didn't miss, because I'd like to show you everything I can. Have an iPhone XS Max and you want this little case for $29.99, you can have that. If you have an XR or 6S, 7, or 8, you can have one of these. Different pattern though. Yeah, it looks like for right now, if you want this pattern, you need to have an iPhone XS, or as I say, iPhone XS. For $24.99, you can get this Happiness Blooms from Within hat. It's in stock. This is, I actually had to ask to get one brought out so I can show you guys. But, you know, that's just today. I'm sure they'll get more in stock. $44.99 gives you this lawn statue, because, you know, full of glare. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Oh, here's one in the light so you can see it better.